sanibonani Dumelang igama lami Ndungisisa wakwaNkasa wasembizana emampondweni bakwethu nani niyawazi ke amampondo adume ngani yabona nje into yakhona fike emadolweni yancokola amampondo adume ngokudelelwa ngamaZulu ngadelela amaZulu ngokinqeke ibhasi ku entry kwashona abantu abayi15 nempondo uhulumeni wakwaZulu Natal usethembise ukubangcwaba labantu kanti impondo balishonise emobeni niyadelela maZulu bakwethu someone ohlelo wabona ama video ami uyazibuza le ndoda all of a sudden wena sowugqoka isuit cause uhlela uqimbile. Yes, because I'm here to talk business. Bakwethu ngicela ningiqashe. I'm a stand-up comedian ngisomahlaya whether nama gatherings let's say get-togethers, picnics, anything yabo, parties, whatever. NgiseThekwini ngicela ningiqashe. Come on Zulu, hlangana Zulu ningiqashe bafethu ngifike ngizoni entertainer. And I'm a pricing whatever any offerisha. Well, let me not say whatever. What if it's 50 rand? I'm just okay, yeah, 50 rand. 50 rand is a good amount. Let's say it's 10 people. Yeah, we keep it like each. That's it totals to 500. Yeah, I'm just making an example, but the price is so negotiate about it. She said, go deeper, papa. Just like a pastor, I think fully Bible. But wait, we are Shumaela right now. December means Paterashe, as Funbanda Bazoboshwa, especially Abanda Batuanisa, cooler box. Aye, Ninabayi. It's fine. Aye, Velen a thing Kishwa, It's just within my life home, but wait, But you don't have to worry because Mkwanas doesn't mind at all. Which antate mahala ha anise Westfield. Yabo. Okay, let me leave you with this one, right? Li judge bhekene nesibosha ofika osanda kubosha la uyabuza wena uboshelweni athi lo omnye hayi ngiboshelwe ukwenza igrosa kaChristmas early kuthwe early hayi kanjani akinte kanjalo akuyo offense libuza nje ubuyenza nini kanti wena le shopping yakho so ngaboshelwe ukuthi wenza igrosa early uyenze early kangakanani hayi ngiyenze isitolo singakavulwa nisale kahle cela ningiqashe ne boy